Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, as per my video, I keep uploading on every Thursday Excel related videos from basics, or you can say scratch. So if you are the one and beginners want to grow in your career and want to learn Excel, because nowadays if you are a housewife or a mother, worker, working professional, student, you must have to learn Excel. It's must nowadays. If you are going to do any kind of things, you will have to face nowadays Excel. So to work on that, you must have to learn. So for that purpose, I keep practicing and keep sharing some functions from basics about Excels. So guys, if you are interested and want to learn from scratch and to master on it, then you are on the right place. Keep watching. I will explain each and everything what is needed to be a confident Excel student or a working professional to grow in your career. So guys, you are not going to learn only basics, but you are going to master on it, and you are going to learn advanced level of Excel. Not only that, I will teach you to make dashboards that is necessary nowadays on in any company after learning Power BI. Yeah, so I am going to teach each and everything step by step. If you are guys interested, then stay with me and keep practicing with me. It will be very helpful, not only for your learning purpose but for also your career purpose. So it's on your choice. Keep a step, keep one step ahead, and just start learning without thinking anymore. So today I'm going to practice about clipboard, format painters, font, and superscript, subscript, striking cancel, striking through, and alignment, wrap text. So let's continue without delaying, because it will there is no any kind of pressure on you that you have to invest your lot of time on it. No, I keep sharing a little bit that you can digest easily, you can invest your time easily after 20 as you are getting 24 hours. So before that, if you are going to invest 10 to 15 minutes only it will take to practice. So just guys, start doing it, practicing it. It is very helpful. And one thing I'd like to say, that I am also a student, I am learning to grow in my career. So while sharing with you, I also keep practicing that. It is also helpful for me. So want to grow, then don't forget to practice. Let's get started guys. So guys, here we are going to start learning clipboard and how it is will be helpful. If you are the one want while keep reading or anything, if you are seeing and want to copy and paste and save it, then it will be helpful for you guys. Like as we are reading somewhere, think that here writing something like Sushma, Sushma, then anything, Atich, Tiksh, Sanjay, Devans. So guys, and if you want to copy here all the things and paste here, but you have to do again and again the same things, copy and paste, copy and paste. And if you want to do in once everything too, then you will be unable. You have to do again and again. And if you are reading anything on PowerPoint or chat gpt everywhere, so you want to copy, then guys, just this tip keep in your mind that, like here we have started copy, like control C. So first of all, clear all here, and in for clipboard we have clicked. After copy, control C, you have to, yeah, are you watching guys? Here already pasted. You will do control C, it will come here in your clipboard. Control C, it will come here. Control C, come here, and control C, it will come here. So if you want to paste, just click here and click this one, click this one, click this one, it will change automatically. And if you want to next column like this, if you want like this, it will be like this. After clicking, it will happen like this guys. So it is a magical and very helpful. Devans, yeah, so it is very helpful to without delaying. If you want to invest your little bit time, then it will be helpful for you. And the next one is format painter. Like here I have color this one and from this color, and if you want to color it the same, then you have to click on it and go format painter. Are you watching here? In format painter, click on it and just leave here. It will come the same color. Like here we will go to format painter, click on format painter, one brush will come, and if you put it on anywhere, it will come like that. So it will work like that guys. So it is format painter, and if you once double click on it, then it will be with you. It is not going. So how will it will work? If you go and format painter and after clicking one time, it will go, it will not come again if you click once again. So it is working like that. To copy your format, that is called format painter. And the next one is font. If you want to work on font size, like bold, underline, italic, so it will work. If you want to fill it, if you want to color it, the text, fill it the cell, and font size you can increase, decrease like this. And yeah, these are the things. And later on is alignment. Like here is left alignment. If you click middle, then it will come in middle. Center alignment, it will right alignment. So it is work like that. And think, if you want to keep it in your top, so it will like it top middle. So it will, for that top you have to click on it and middle, and it is like that in middle. If you want to right, then click on right, and if you want to work on that, then it will. So it is all about that. And next one is strike through. There are all formulas available except 3 and that are I'm going to share with you. Alignment, click on alignment. Here you will see in font you will see strike through, superscript, subscript. So how it will work? Strike through will cancel the okay, then it will cancel the text. It is called strike through. And if you want to use any kind of formula like H, one thing I will like to share with you. that after using clipboard you have to clear all, then it will stop working, otherwise it will keep working. So guys, here H, oh my god, why it is working? H2O. So this is a formula H2O, and if we want to do in the lower side, so we have to go through alignment. After selecting 2, we have to go in alignment. Why it is not working? So guys, one thing I didn't share with you, that working on clipboard, you have to go option. In option you have to click this 4 option. You don't have to click the upper one, just click the 4. This is the only function you have to use while working on clipboard. And yeah, and after working you have to clear all, then it will not come again. And so guys, here we are, as we are going to type like H2O, and I want to why it is alignment is not coming? So for today it is okay guys, I think. Next in next I will share one more formula, like that if you are typing something and you are going to cross the cell and here is not enough space to write, then we will, after clicking on wrap text, it will increase the height of cell rows. Let's, like here you are showing, this is wrap text. After clicking it will work. Are you seeing guys? It will come in one cell and it will increase the height of rows. And you can, when you can type, it will only be type only in one cell. It is not going to cross any other cells. So this is called wrap text. So guys, for today it is enough. Just go practice and yeah, enjoy the week.